Students, today I am going to teach you the examples of practice 1.4. Solve the following simultaneous equations. First example is 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15 and 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. If we see these two examples, these are not the linear equations in standard form. Firstly, we have to write these equations in standard form. For that, we have to substitute the new variables instead of the given variables and convert them into the linear equation. Here 2 upon x means 2 into 1 upon x, minus 3 upon y means 3 into 1 upon y. Similarly, 8 upon x means 8 into 1 upon x, 5 upon y means 5 into 1 upon y, and therefore to convert this non-linear equation into linear equation, we use the or we substitute the new variables. That is, suppose we take let 1 upon x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to n. That is, instead of this 1 upon x, we write the new variable m, and instead of this 1 upon y, we write the new variable n. That means we get 2m minus 3n is equal to 15. Equation 1. Similarly, for the second equation, 8 into 1 upon x can be written as 8m plus 5 into 1 upon y, that is 5n is equal to 77. Equation 2. Now to solve these linear equations, firstly we make the same coefficient of any variable. If we want to make the coefficient same of the n variable, then we have to multiply this 1 by 5 and 2 by 3 for making the same coefficient. But instead of n, if you take the same coefficient of m, we have to only multiply equation 1 by 4. That is 2 4s are 8 and these 8 are already given. Therefore, it is easy to solve by the solving the same, making the same coefficient of m. Therefore, on multiplying equation 1 by 4, we get 2 4s are 8m minus 4 3s are 12n plus 12 15 4s are 60. Equation number 3. Now if we see these two equations 2 and 3, both having the same coefficient of m and signs are also same, 8m 8m. Therefore, if the signs are same, then we take the subtraction, and therefore on subtracting equation 2 and 3, we get 8m plus 5n is equal to 77 minus this 8m minus 12n is equal to 60. Now this plus gets converted minus, minus gets plus, plus gets minus. This 8m minus 8m gets cancelled. 5n plus this plus this sign, 5 plus 12, that is 17n. 77 minus 60, that is 17. To find the value of this n, multiplied by 17, multiplied 17 gets converted to division, 17 upon 17, that is 1. Now putting this value in equation number 1, 2 or 3, I put in 2. That is substituting value of n in equation 2, we get 8m plus 5n, and that is 1 plus is equal to 77. 8m is equal to this 5 ones are 5 plus gets converted to minus. 8m is equal to 72. To find the value of this m, multiplied 8 gets converted to division, 72 divided by 8, that is 9. These are the values of m and n, which are the variables we use for substituting. Now we have to find the values of original variables in the given simultaneous equation. Therefore, we write but 1 upon x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to n. Therefore, 1 upon x is equal to m, that is 9. 1 upon y is equal to n, that is 1. Now on taking reciprocal or by invert endo process, we get 1 upon x, reciprocal of 1 upon x is x, reciprocal of 9 is 1 upon 9, or and reciprocal of 1 upon y is y, reciprocal of 1 is 1, and therefore solution of the given equation, simultaneous equations, are 1 upon 9 and 1. Next example is 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Again, these two equations are not linear equations. Therefore, firstly, we have to convert these into linear equation by substituting the new variables instead of this x plus y and x minus y. Therefore, we consider let 1 upon x plus y is equal to m and 1 upon x minus y is equal to n. Now 10 means 10 into 1 upon x plus y, therefore 10, and instead of this 1 upon x plus y we substitute m, plus 2 into 1 upon x minus y, instead of this we substitute n, is equal to 4, equation 1. Similarly, this equation can be written as 15m minus 5n is equal to minus 2, equation 2. Now we make the same coefficient of n, therefore this equation 1 is multiplied by 5 and 2 is multiplied by 2, because LCM of both the numbers is 10. Therefore multiply this equation 1 by 5, we get 50m plus 10n is equal to 20, equation 3. Multiply this second equation by 2, we get 30m minus 10n is equal to minus 4n, equation number 4. Now you will see a coefficient of n are same, signs are different, and therefore we take the addition. On adding equation 3 and 4, we get 50m plus 10n is equal to 20 plus 30m minus 10n is equal to minus 4. 10 and 10n gets cancelled. 50 plus 30, 80m. 20 minus 4, 16. To find the value of m, this multiplied 18 gets converted to division. 16 ones are 16, 16 fifths are 80. Therefore, we get m is equal to 5. Now, putting this value of m in any equation, I put in 1. Now, substituting value of m in equation 1, we get 10 into m, that is 1 upon 5, plus 2n is equal to 4. 10 divided by 2, that is 10 divided by 5, that is 2. 2 plus 2n is equal to 4. Therefore, plus 2 gets converted to minus 4 minus 2, that is 2. Now multiply this 2 gets converted to division. 2 upon 2 and 2 upon 2, that is 1. But these are the new substitute values of the variables. Therefore, instead of this m, now we write 1 upon x plus y is equal to m and 1 upon x minus y is equal to n. Therefore, 1 upon x plus y is equal to m, that is 1 upon 5, and 1 upon x minus y is equal to n, that is 1. Now by invertendo, or we take by taking reciprocal, x plus y, reciprocal of this, invertendo process of this, 1 upon x plus y, reciprocal of that is x plus y, reciprocal of 1 upon 5, that is 5. Now we get equation number 5. Reciprocal of this 1 upon x minus y is x minus y, reciprocal of 1 is 1, equation number 6. Now if we see the coefficient of y are same in 5 and 6, signs are different, and therefore we take addition. On adding equation 5 and 6, we get x plus y is equal to 5 plus x minus y is equal to 1. Now plus y minus y gets cancelled. X plus x, that is 2x. 5 plus 1, that is 6. Now to find the value of x, multiply 2 gets converted to division. 6 upon 2, that is 3. Now to find the value of y, we put this value of x in equation 5 or 6. I put in 5 because all signs are positive. Now substitute substituting value of x in equation 5, we get x that is 3 plus y is equal to 5. To find the value of y, plus 3 gets converted to minus y is equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2, and therefore solution is 3 and 2. Next example is 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Again, these are the non-linear equations. Therefore, firstly we have to convert into linear equation by substituting the new variable instead of 1 upon x minus 2 and 1 upon y plus 3. Therefore, let 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to m and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to n. Again, same procedure as that of the previous two examples. 27, 1 upon x minus 2 means m, plus 31 into 1 upon y plus 3 means n is equal to 85, equation 1. Now for second equation, 31, 1 upon x minus 2, instead of that we write m plus 27 n is equal to 89. Now if we see in this both the two equations, the coefficients of m and n are interchanged, 27 31 and 31 27. Therefore firstly we take the addition. On adding equation 1 and 2, we get 27m plus 31n is equal to 85 plus 31m plus 27n is equal to 89. Now addition of this 58m plus 58n is equal to 174. Now both the coefficient of m and n are same, therefore divide by 58 to both the sides. We get 58 50 get cancelled, plus remaining m plus 58 gets cancelled, remaining is n. 174 divided by 58, that is 3, equation number 3. Now we take subtraction of both. Now on subtracting equation 1 and 2, we get 27m plus 31n is equal to 85 minus 31m plus 27n is equal to 89. Now subtract, changes the sign of the second equation. Plus gets minus, plus gets minus, plus gets minus. 27 minus 31, that is minus 4m. 31 minus 27, that is plus 4n. 85 minus 89, 4, sign of the biggest number. Now 4 is the same coefficient, therefore divide by 4 to both the sides. Now we get 4 divided by 4 gets 1, remaining is minus m plus 4 divided by 4, that is 1n, minus 4 divided by 4, that is minus 1. Now equation number 4. Now if we see the equation 3 and 4, both the coefficients of m are same but signs are opposite, plus and minus, and if plus and signs are opposite, then we take addition. On adding equation 3 and 4, we get third equation is m plus n is equal to 3, plus equation 4 is minus m plus n is equal to minus 1. Plus m minus m gets cancelled, n plus n, that is 2n, 3 minus 1, that is 2. To find the value of n, multiply 2 gets converted to division. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Now putting this value in any equation out of 4, I put in equation 3 because the values or coefficients are smaller and signs are all signs are positive. Now equation 3 becomes, or we can write substituting the value of n in equation 3. M plus n, that is 1, is equal to 3. Now plus 1 gets converted to minus, m is equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2. But m and n are the new variables of the given equation. Therefore, instead of this m and n, I write 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to m and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to n. Now putting the values, 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to m that is 2, and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to n, but n we find 1. Now by on taking reciprocal or by invertendo, we get a reciprocal of this 1 upon x minus 2 is x minus 2, reciprocal of 2 is 1 half, and reciprocal of 1 upon y plus 3 is y plus 3, reciprocal of 1 is 1. Now this minus 2 gets converted to plus, that is 1 half plus 2. By taking cross multiplication, we get 1 1 za 1 plus 2 2 za 4, LCM 2. Therefore, x is equal to 4 plus 1, that is 5 upon 2. To find the value of y, plus 3 gets converted to minus, and 1 minus 3, that is minus 2, and therefore solution is 5 upon 2 and minus 2. That's the equation number 3. Next example is 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4, and 1 half into 3x plus y minus 1 half into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Again, both are non-linear equations. Therefore, to convert into linear equation, we have to write the new variable. Instead of this 1 upon 3x plus y, we write m. Instead of this 1 upon 3x minus y, we write n. And therefore, here 1 upon 3x plus y, that is m, plus 1 upon 3x minus y, that is n, is equal to 3 upon 4. Now convert this into the integer number, therefore multiplied by 4 to the both sides. On multiplying equation, or on multiplying by 3 upon 4 to both sides, we get, multiplied by 4. 4 into m, 4m, 4 into n, 4n. Now this 3 upon 4 into 4. 4 gets cancelled. Remaining is 3. Equation number 1. Now for second equation, 1 half 1 upon 3x plus y, that is m, minus 1 half 1 upon 3x minus y, that is n, is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Now all these three are rational numbers. To convert into integer number, multiply by the LCM of all these three. LCM of this 2 and 8 is 8. Therefore, multiplied by, on multiplying by 1 upon 8 to both sides, we get 1 half into 8. 8 divided by 2, that is 4. Therefore, here we get 4m. Similarly, here we get minus 4n. Here minus 1 upon into 8. 8 gets cancelled. Remaining is 1. Equation number 2. Now, if we see equation 1 and 2, both 4n and minus 4n are same. Coefficients are same. Signs are different. Therefore, on adding equation 1 and 2, we get 4m plus 4n is equal to 3, plus 4m minus 4n is equal to minus 1. Now this plus 4m minus 4n gets cancelled. 4m plus 4m, that is 8m. Now 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, that is 2. Therefore here we write 3 minus 1, that is 2. To find the value of m, multiplied by 8 gets converted to division, and both are multiple of 2. Therefore divided by 2, we get m is equal to 1 upon 4. Now putting this value of m in equation 1 or 2, I put in 1 because all signs are positive. Therefore substituting value of m in equation 1, we get 4m, m that is 1 upon 4, plus 4n is equal to 3. 4 gets cancelled. 1 plus 4n is equal to 3, plus 1 gets converted to minus. 3 minus 1, 4n is equal to 2. Now to find the value of n, multiplied 4 gets converted to division, and 2 upon 4 means both are multiple of 2, therefore both are divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. N is equal to 1 half. Now putting the values of m and n, instead of this 3x plus y, 1 upon 3x plus y and 1 upon 3x minus y, and therefore but 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to m and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to n. Therefore 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to m. We find the value of m as 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to n, n that is 1 half. Now we take by invertendo, or on taking reciprocal of all this, we get reciprocal of 1 upon 3x plus y is 3x plus y. Reciprocal of 1 upon 4 is 4. Equation we get here 3. Then 1 upon 3x minus y. Reciprocal of that is 3x minus y. Reciprocal of 1 half is 2. Equation number 4. Now if we say the coefficients of y are same but signs are different, and therefore if signs are different then we take the addition. On adding equation 3 and 4, we get 3x plus y is equal to 4 plus 3x minus y is equal to 2. Plus y minus y gets cancelled. 3x plus 3x 6x, 4 plus 2 that is 6. To find the value of x, we multiplied this 6 gets converted to division. 6 upon 6 that is 1. Now to find the value of y, we put the value of x in equation number 3 or 4. Therefore, on substituting value of x in equation 3, that is 3x, that is 3 into 1 plus y as it is equal to 4. Now 3 ones are 3 plus y is equal to 4. Plus 3 gets converted to minus 4 minus 3 that is 1, and that's the solution of the equation is 1 1. This is the equation example number 4 of the practice set 1.1 1.4, and that's the practice set 1.4. I think you easily understand these equations. If you understand and like this, then you like, share and subscribe my channel.